What if just 30 days could make your shoulders look wider, stronger, and more athletic? Most people think bigger shoulders come from lifting the heaviest dumbbells in the gym. Turns out, that's one of the biggest mistakes. Your shoulders are made of three different muscle heads, front, side, and rear. If you only train the front because of bench presses, your shoulders may actually look smaller from the front. The real secret to that broad V-taper appearance is developing your side delts. Imagine building a house but only finishing one wall. That's exactly what many people do with their shoulders. Over the next 30 days, we'll discover what really helps shoulder growth, the exercises that matter most, the mistakes that slow you down, and why recovery is just as important as training. By the end, you'll understand how to build shoulders that don't just feel stronger, but actually look impressive. The first lesson is simple: train smart, not just hard. The side delts respond best to controlled movements instead of swinging heavy weights. Lateral raises may look easy, but doing them correctly is surprisingly difficult. Raise the dumbbells until your arms are about shoulder height. Pause for a second. Lower them slowly. That lowering phase creates a lot of the muscle-building tension. Did you know your shoulder joint is one of the most mobile joints in the human body? That flexibility is amazing, but it also makes good technique essential. A balanced workout should also include overhead presses for overall strength and rear delt flies to improve posture and shoulder balance. Within 2 weeks, you might not look dramatically different, but many people notice better muscle control, stronger contractions, and improved posture. Now the real changes begin. Your shoulders recover, adapt, and slowly become capable of handling more work. This is called progressive overload, gradually increasing the challenge over time. That doesn't always mean heavier weights. Sometimes adding one extra repetition, slowing the movement, or improving your technique is enough to stimulate new muscle growth. Nutrition also becomes impossible to ignore. Your muscles need protein to repair damaged fibers after each workout. Sleep matters just as much. During deep sleep, your body releases hormones that support muscle recovery and growth. Many people chase the perfect workout while forgetting the recovery that actually builds the muscle. By week 4, your shirts may fit tighter around your shoulders, even if the scale barely changes. After 30 days, you probably won't look like a professional bodybuilder, and that's perfectly normal. Real muscle growth takes months, sometimes years. But you can absolutely notice stronger presses, rounder shoulders, improved posture, and more confidence. One unexpected benefit is how wider shoulders create the illusion of a smaller waist. It's one reason shoulder training has such a dramatic effect on your overall physique. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Missing one workout won't ruin your progress. Giving up completely will. The strongest bodies aren't built by motivation. They're built by habits repeated over and over again. Here's the twist. Most people think muscles grow while lifting weights. They don't. Weights provide the signal. Recovery builds the muscle. Every controlled repetition, every healthy meal, and every good night's sleep is another brick in the foundation of stronger shoulders. The goal isn't to impress people in the gym today. It's to become a stronger version of yourself month after month. So the next time you pick up those dumbbells, don't ask, "How heavy can I lift?" Ask yourself, "Can I perform every repetition perfectly?" Because perfect reps performed consistently will always outperform sloppy lifting in the long run. Your shoulders don't grow because of one incredible workout. They grow because you keep showing up.